What can be the expected question in the Zimsec A-level business exam? So first question, as I see, the first question could be define the term just in time. As you are aware, the just in time process, and explain two benefits for a manufacturing business of using just in time GIT. Then we have defined the term cash flow forecast. Cash flow forecast has been tested in the exams previously. It is an important topic. And briefly explain two limitations for a business of using a cash flow forecast. Then HRM has not been tested in the past recently, so I am expecting this as an exam. Explain how HRM helps to achieve business success. It is it should be written in detail because I am expecting it as a 5 mark question, not a 2 or 3 mark question. Then define the term product life cycle (PLC) and explain two ways a business could extend a product's life cycle. So these are the this is product life cycle has been tested recently as well, but I am expecting that this will be a 2 or 3 mark question, right? So HRM is a key one, right? This is the key differentiating factor for candidates, right? If they score highly in this, na, then the examiner, then they can really boost up their grades. So this I think so HRM will be the key factor. Okay. Now coming to section B, that is essay questions. Again, attempt any one from the section. The first question would be analyze the benefits for a new business of producing a cash flow forecast. I am too pro in cash flow forecast, so that's why I have written it down. A cash flow forecast in the essay as well. You must be saying that I am too biased on this, but I am believing that it is a big deal cash flow forecast and ratios. Questions has not been tested in this recently, so ratio questions are expected and something related to ratios are expected. If you are aware what are the profitability ratios, right? NP, margin, GP, NP ratio, right? GP ratio, NP ratio, and ROS, right? These are the main profitability ratios, right? Return on capital employed. Okay. Next we have this. The technology based question has not been tested recently, so I am expecting this. Using the internet for marketing is essential for the success of a smartphone retailer. Do you agree with this statement? So, marketing, internet for marketing. This is the key, right? Often students miss this, they just go for okay, internet, or they just go for marketing. So, this is the key. And last from this, I believe analyze the benefits of a labor intensive production business for a business, right? Labor intensive production process and discuss the process of innovation could improve the operational efficiency. The main part that I just wanted was operational efficiency and where international parts are delivery. So these are the two things that I am looking forward to. I hope that you guys have understood this, that this is the paper that is expected. These type of please cover these topics first and then go for other topics.